Which of our two circuits divides up the voltage? A series circuit. Okay, as we saw in the last problem we just did, the two resistors divided the voltage amongst each other. One took 1.3, one took 0.2. So a series circuit divides. So when you see the word voltage divider, you should automatically think, oh, this is a series circuit. They're talking about a series circuit. Okay? All right, here's the question I'm going to pose to you. Let's say we have a little battery like this. Okay? So this is meant to be run at like 1.5 volts or 3 volts or something like that. Let's just say 2 volts. It's meant to run at 2 volts. What would happen if I plug this into a 120 volt outlet? Okay, it would break, it would pop, it would burn out, okay, immediately, right? Maybe it sparks and stuff, but it would go out. Is it possible for me to hook this up to a 120 volt circuit?
Yes.
Can I devise a way, a method, to hook this up? So that's the question that we're going to ask, is how can we hook up this light bulb to 120 volts? Okay? Okay, yeah, we're going to use resistors and hook them up that way. So let's do that. So let's devise a circuit. Devise a circuit so that let's say this light bulb is 5 watts. And let's say it's rated at 2 volts. That means it's meant to be hooked up to 2 volts, and when you hook it up to 2 volts, it will be 5 watts. If you hooked it up to a smaller amount, it would be less. If you hooked up to more, it would be more. Okay, now eventually it's going to be so much that it's going to break. So let's assume, okay, we want it to be at 2 volts. So that a 5 watt light array at 2 volts works when connected to 120 volts. So is this going to work with a parallel circuit? No. Okay, as we just mentioned, you hook it up, it's just going to blow it out because they all get the same voltage. It's going to get the 120. So we're going to hook this up in a series circuit. So our series circuit should look something like this. So this is our light bulb here, and we'll say this is supposed to be 5 watts, 2 volts. And this is 120 volts. And we're going to hook it up to divide out the voltage. So the question would be, what resistor is necessary? If we want this circuit to work, what is the value of R to get it to work? So I want to actually let you have a chance to do this before I solve it. So go ahead and see if you can solve this one.